In today's video, I thought I'd give a little rundown on some new skincare I've been trying out from Farmacy. I picked up this little sampler set, the Farmer's Market Kit. I like the look of Farmacy, so I thought I would use this set to get a summer sampler of their most popular products. This includes their Warming Honey Potion Mask, Green Clean Cleansing Balm, Daily Greens Moisturizer, and Very Bright Serum, as seen here. I also scored some cute extras and mini versions, which I'll talk about a little later on. Now for a breakdown of the products. First is the Daily Greens Moisturizer. It made a splash when it appeared on the market this spring. It's a gel, oil-free formula in a sweet green hue which reminds me of honeydew. As a moisturizer, its texture is light and fresh, and it does the job for summer. Green Clean is a balm cleanser. This one has a nice green color, I'm sensing a pattern here, and a waxy, balmy texture. It does a good job of getting my makeup off as the first step in my routine, but it's nothing I'd call home about. The Very Cherry Bright Serum contains 15% vitamin C, sourced from acerola cherries. I can be a bit particular about my vitamin C serums, but this one didn't feel sticky or overly gooey. It had a bright, clear color, not like the red tint, which is just the jar. All in all, a serum that felt cheerful and a little luxurious. Ah, the Honey Potion Mask. This was the thing I was most excited to get my hands on. The formula contains a special mix of honey and other ingredients so that it literally warms up the skin as it works. The texture is a bit sticky, to be expected given the honey, I guess. I did feel a bit of a warming sensation, but it wasn't overpowering. My skin looked noticeably brighter afterwards. I love a honey mask, so I'll definitely be putting this one to good use. With the Farmer's Market set, I picked up a coconut gel sheet mask, mostly so I could qualify for free shipping and some extra freebies. One of which ended up being another signature product, their Honey Savior All-in-One Skin Repair Salve. This Honey Savior salve ended up being a favorite. Even from this little tiny tube, I noticed that the texture, which was light but incredibly moisturizing, worked wonders on cracked elbows and roughed hands and lips. The other freebies ended up being little trial sachets of the Green Clean and the Honey Potion Mask, probably because they're both so popular. The Honey Mask in particular feels like the most special of the Farmer's Market set. As for the sheet mask, well, I've been trying not to buy too many sheet masks as they are glorified serums, but this one did feel refreshing and had a relaxing coconut aroma, perfect for closing your eyes and pretending you're on the beach. Well, that's all I have as far as Farmacy goes. Do you like the brand? Let me know in the comments. I'll be over here reading some Steinbeck to get myself in the mood for some future videos. I mean, what? No spoilers here. Ta-ta for now!